ребята, вы никогда не сражение, мы продолжаем играть Лего, ниндзяго, тень, ронина. Так, погнали.
Так,
у нас тут чего-то. У нас дракон.
А, это дракончик.
В прошлой серии был дракончик. Так, море песка, куда ты? Так, играть.
Чё?
Куда он врезался? Да, погнали.
Kai, we will need your sister's help to get through the toxic bogs.
Understood. She should be at Ed and Edna's junkyard.
We're seeing my parents? Oh man! If I'd known, I could have brought my dirty laundry!
Way to impress Nia, man. So why do we need her help?
The toxic bogs have recently flooded. We will need Nia's grapple device.
Can't we just take a boat in?
Certainly. If you don't mind the boat and its passengers melting.
I think I would mind that, Cole. Yeah, Cole. Why are you always trying to get us melted?
Все время норовишь.
All right, you guys.
Ну ладно, ребята. Мотоцикл! Не отставайте.
There's some kind of weird helicopter in the sky behind me. Do you see it?
Do not worry. It is a serpentine rattlecopter.
Serpentine?
A race of snakes that you have encountered before. We were once at war with their armies, but we are at peace now.
Whoa! Are these bikes serpentine too? Because they sure are useful.
Yes, this is a worrying development.
No kidding.
Феминистки!
Watch out behind. There are mines.
So what? The desert's full of mines. Silver, gold.
Explosive mines.
Он тебя.
Hey, try following me in here. This is gonna be a tight squeeze. That was too close.
Это как будто вантан, знаете?
В кого-то стрелял. Ты в кого-то стреляешь?
More of these guys,
Ты нафига
huh?
стреляешь просто? Нафига ты
Did he say something about Ronin being able to control people with the Obsidian Glaive, as well as steal their memories?
He did, yes.
Well, could have run on snakes too.
Yes, I see no reason why not. We must be even more vigilant from now onwards.
Why? Are there other armies from our past we should worry about meeting again?
Several, yes.
Oh, that wasn't actually a joke. I kinda wish I hadn't asked now.
просто... Минус. Минус. Ну там... Убей. Попади в кожу.
Almost there.
So are a whole bunch of those snakes. I know my parents have enough snacks for all of us. There are snacks?
Jay, any chance your parents have something which can deal with our scaly friends?
Junkyard time? We can build something!
Вот это еще интересно будет.
Ты сейчас будет на этой. Ну что, ребята, поставьте лайк, подпишитесь на канал, подпишитесь на Барта Симпсона. И всем спасибо, всем пока, до новых.